Welcome back to RT Dashcam. And this is the final part of our Barrackpore to Kolkata Airport journey. Let's quickly continue the drive from the Jessore Road junction, heading towards the entrance of Netaji Subhas Chandra Bose International Airport, Kolkata, especially for viewers who are approaching the airport from the Barrackpore, Sodhpur side rather than central Kolkata. If you have missed the earlier parts of this drive, the links to all previous episodes are available in the description. And you can also find them in the Explore Kolkata playlist on this channel. So feel free to check them out as well. Right now we are driving along Jessore Road, which runs alongside the boundary of Kolkata's International Airport. One interesting thing about this stretch is that you can often get a very close view of aircraft landing or taking off, especially when flights are descending towards the runway. For aviation lovers, this part of the road can actually be quite exciting because sometimes the airplanes pass very low and close overhead. Just ahead and above us is the Belghoria Expressway flyover connection. Using this expressway, you can directly travel towards Dakshineswar temple and then cross the Hooghly river via Nivedita Setu, which is located beside the Bali Bridge. The Belghoria Expressway has been operational since 2008 and it plays a very important role in connecting the northern suburbs of Kolkata. It links NH16 near Dankuni and NH19 with Netaji Subhas Chandra Bose International Airport and also connects to NH12 around the Dumdum and Barrackpore region. Airport entry. And here on our left side, you can see the entry road to Netaji Subhas Chandra Bose International Airport, Dumdum. Instead of turning into the airport today, I will continue driving a little further towards the Lake Town side. So this brings us to the end of our Barrackpore to Dumdum Airport drive series. I hope this journey gave you a clear visual idea of the route, road conditions, and key connections in this area. If you enjoy real-time road trips, city drives, and highway journeys across India, consider subscribing to RT Dashcam for more drives like this. Thank you for watching and supporting RT Dashcam. Stay aware, drive safe, and enjoy the journey. RT Dashcam signing off.